Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete subscribers in the TikTok app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. Open the TikTok app on your device. Next, go to your profile at the bottom. After that, you'll need to go to your subscribers list, which is right below your profile picture. And then, in order to remove someone from your followers, you can find them just by going down the list. Or if you type the person's name into the search box. And once you've found the person you'd like to unsubscribe from, click on the three dots next to their username and then unsubscribe. Confirm your actions. And this way, the person will be immediately removed from your subscribers. You can also do this if you go to the person's page, look at their profile, decide if you want this person to be in your subscribers or not. If not, then you can also go back and just remove that person from your followers list in 2 clicks. That's the very simple way you can delete subscribers in TikTok. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.